Alright, welcome back. In the previous videos, we learned how to enter data, edit it, and work faster using autofill and keyboard shortcuts. In this video, we will learn how to find and replace data to quickly fix mistakes in Excel. I already have the same worksheet open on my screen that we have been using in the previous lessons. Before we start fixing anything, let's carefully look at the data. First, look at the name column. Most of the names are written as Ali. But notice that in some rows, the name is written as Ali. This is clearly a typing mistake. Now imagine this kind of error exists in a large worksheet with hundreds of rows. Fixing it one cell at a time would take a lot of time. This is where Find and Replace becomes very useful. Let's fix this error using Find and Replace. To open Find and Replace, I press Ctrl and H on my keyboard. You can also open it from the Home tab, under Find and Select, and then Replace. Now look at the dialog box. In the Find What box, I type Ali. In the Replace With box, I type Ali. Now I click Replace All. Excel shows a message telling me how many replacements were made. If you look back at the worksheet, you can see that all the incorrect names have been fixed instantly. Now let's look at another error. Look at the marks column. Most of the values are correct. But notice one value that looks like 30. It is written as 3 in the letter O, instead of the number 0. Excel treats this as text, not a number. Instead of fixing this manually, we will use Find and Replace again. I press Ctrl and H. In the Find What box, I type 30. In the Replace With box, I type the correct number 30. Now I click Replace All. The value is corrected immediately. This shows that Find and Replace works for both text and numbers. Before using Replace All on important data, there is one important thing to remember. It is always a good idea to click Find Next first. This allows you to review what Excel is going to change before replacing everything. Before we end this video, let's summarize. In this lesson, you learned how to identify errors in your data and use Find and Replace to correct repeated mistakes quickly. This saves time and makes working with large worksheets much easier. In the next video, we will learn how to work with rows and columns in Excel, including inserting, deleting, and adjusting them to manage data better. Make sure you practice Find and Replace before moving ahead.